Hello, everybody out there. This is Utsav Singh from Smart Tech, and welcome back to the part 5 of the Frontend Web Development series. So, today we are going to create tables. So, remember this document? Well, ignore this. Open up a new one, and again, I'm going to name it my table.html. Right, so, first thing, HTML, first is it, type in HTML and do this. In the page title, I want to write my table. Cool. Now, tables are enclosed in the table tag, and within that, you have rows. So, a table is formed up of rows. So, I will show you what that is. tr defines a row, and within that, usually the first row has the headers like bolded centered text that show um, what data is being has been entered below them. So, um, um, headers are represented by th or table headers. So heading 1, right? So let's see, heading 1, heading, heading 3, heading 2, right? So again, this time let me define another table row. So this row will be beneath this one. So this text will be bolded and centered. And now what I'm going to add is td. Um, some people call it table down. I basically like to call it table data. Um, TH and TD define one cell, right? So that one small box is called a cell in a table, right? So um, what's to type here? Um, data one, and let's copy this substance. Bye bye. Data two, data three. Cool. So I get a lot of noise. Alright, so data 1, data 2, data 3. Now let's add another row. Um, data 4, data 5, and data 6. Now let's see this, what happens. Um, let's see. Now, as you can see, these are the headings, right? And these are the datas. Now, by default, this doesn't have any border, and tables usually have borders. So now, as you can see, let's compare our data to our tables. So now, our heading 1, this is my heading 1. This table head signifies one cell, that is this. Actually, let's add a border. Border equals 1 px solid. So solid signifies that one straight line. A solid line, not dashed, and 1 pixel is its width. Right, let's see. Why isn't this working? Border. Seriously. Oh, that's strange. Doesn't matter. So this table head signifies this one cell, right? And usually tables don't look this ugly because we will edit a lot using CSS, so don't worry about that. Now table heading 2, well, this is another cell. Similarly, this is another cell. Now as you can see, these are all center aligned, right? So while these table data are left aligned and they are not bolded, unlike these ones. So table data is data 1, data 2, data 3. Again, as you can see in this row, we have 3 cells. Um, and as you can see, this is one row data. This one is another row, and um, this last one is another row. While these that are falling from the top are one column. This is my second column, while this is my third column. Now, let's see something. Hmm. Now, as you can see, as I said, they represent one cell. Since they represent one single cell, it doesn't mean that they will, um, your HTML code will auto-generate these more cells because you will have to enter them here. Let's try something. Actually, Control Control C, Control V, type in heading 4, right? So refresh that. As you can see, since they represent one cell, a new cell has been added. Now let's see what can we add instead of that solid. Dash this one and come on. But whatever. Alright, so solid is one, dashed is another. But as you can see, it's not just about these texts. What you can do is within these table headers or table data, let's try something. Let's add an image in that. Right, so um image tag, right? So alt will be data one and image source. Let's try something. Let's try this one. Control A. Again, my hotkeys problem. We'll fix that later on. And as you can see, an image has been added. But that's too big for my liking. Height equals 100 px, width equals 100 px. I will have to indent right there. Cool. So let's refresh that. Now, as you can see, well, that's looking right. Auto will fix that up. So height is 100 px. Then, according to the picture's existing ratio, since I have set the width to auto, it will automatically accommodate to this height. So right now, um, let's see if I add something here. What happens? All data one has been put here. So I want that image back. Now there's something here. You can add a link to this image. How is that? Simple. Just enclose this in an a tag. Um, Again, type in ahref equals. Let's see. Add again. https wikipedia.org. That should do it, right? So, but you have to end this tag as well. Now, I will end this tag where the image is ending, after the image is ending, right? So let's open this up. Now, as you can see, I have an anchor or linked anchor tag, and within that, I'm saying make this image the thing that my user clicks on, right? So this part here is what the user gets to click on. Like I can have click me, or I can just have an image, right? So when I refresh, and as you can see, I just held control to left click on this one. Wikipedia.org is here. Now, one thing I want to show you is anchor tags have one attribute called till now I have to control and hold control and left click to open this in a new tab, otherwise it will open in this one, right? So what I want to do is make sure that whenever my user clicks on this, he doesn't have to hold the control key. How we do this? We add a target attribute. Target equals underscore blank. So this opens up in a new blank tab. I didn't hold control key. I just press the left click. Sorry for that, by the way. All right, so that's all. Table down, table data, table header. These are left aligned while these are center aligned. These are bolded while these are not. And table rows are there. Now, usually for proper structure, people like to put these in T body, but that doesn't really make a difference. It's just the same actually. So and the table body tags, it's just for better grouping, right? So better representation of the data. That's what HTML is all about. So T body and the table in the T body. Now you can have like let's say t footer. You can have something here. I can say, well, let's see what I can say. Let's say th hello world. As you can see, I have one whole thing in my table row. Now this has automatically formed a row, even though I didn't form one. But it's always good practice to have one, right? So add this in the table footer, and as you can see, table row, and inside that a table header. So well, you can do something like this or something. Width equals 100%. As you can see, well, that's a lot. Don't want to do that, since actually what happened is that it said, well, I will take up the whole width of this, or this whole area, right? And we actually didn't want to do that. That's just a headache, because this all the other data will be disrupted right there. So one more thing is comments. I think I will discuss them in a later video, but let's leave this here, and I will show you how to quickly um, disable this code using comments in HTML. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, press the like button, and if you want to keep yourself updated about the new videos that are coming soon, press the red subscribe button and ring that bell icon. Thanks for watching.